When you consider the high cost of renovations, architectural moldings are an easy way to get a lot of decorative bang for your buck. By adding a crown molding along the ceiling, baseboard molding, casings, maybe even a chair rail molding, you can take a room from drab to dazzling without breaking the bank. Decorative moldings can be made of solid wood, medium-density fiberboard, or finger-jointed pine. These planks of eastern white pine are on their way to becoming finger-jointed molding. They've just come out of the kiln dryer. A hygrometer measures the humidity in each plank to ensure the wood is dry enough to cut cleanly. A worker directs a laser to read the dimensions of each and every plank. The laser transmits that information to a computer, which guides a plane further up the line to shave the plank to the required width and square it. This process transforms the plank into a block. The blocks now enter a high-tech piece of equipment that identifies defects for removal. As each block enters the machine, a scanner records all its features. It sends that information to a computer, which calculates a cutting plan. Guided by the computer, a saw chops out any knots or poor quality wood. The machine's kickers, as they're called, boot the cutoffs from the conveyor. The blocks, meanwhile, continue on, running against razor-sharp rotating heads that carve finger joints on the ends. The next station coats the joints with industrial-strength carpenter's glue. The conveyor picks up speed now and butts the blocks together with high pressure. The joints lock in a tight fit. When the glue dries, the joints strengthen even more. The jointed blocks are connected in a continuous unit. A saw now cuts it into standard molding lengths. These lengths are known as finger-jointed blanks because they haven't yet been shaped. A saw now cuts the blanks lengthwise to the thickness of the specific molding they're producing. The final step is to profile the blanks. A machine called a molder uses rotating steel knives to carve the wood to the required shape. There's a different knife for each style of molding. The molder transforms the blanks to moldings at a rate of 30 meters per minute. Moldings made of finger-jointed pine or medium-density fiberboard are the least expensive to buy. But you can't stain them as you can moldings made of solid wood. You have to paint them.